So, I finished it. So, we're gonna eat the piatos later. If my mom's here. My mom's not here. Wow! They live in the Philippines. I live in America. They just adopt me. Yum. Good. You want some? You eat it more? Wow! They're very good. Bye-bye. See you part 3.